Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix charging port isn't working on Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're using Galaxy A14 and you're facing the issue that your charging port isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go ahead to your settings here, and in settings, just go to software update and just make sure that you're connected to internet and your software is up to date. Once are done, it might fix your software glitches or pending update issues. If it's still not fixing your issues, you have to make sure that your charging port is completely clean. There is no any dust or dirt in it. If you find, just try to delete that. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to check your charging cable. Sometimes it might be that your charging cable is physically damaged or your charger is also damaged, so you can try to change them with a new original Samsung charger, so sometimes it might fix your issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, your charger is it's better condition, which is still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a restart, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by fixing your software or by making a restart. But before you do that, I recommend a single setting more. Go to settings here, and in settings, go to battery, and here go to charging settings. You have to try to make sure that these both toggles are enabled. Sometimes it might be that if your charging information is disabled, you are unable to see if your phone is charging or not. You have to make sure it's enabled from here. You have to also make sure that your fast charging is enabled. It will allow to get fast charging on your phone. Once I've done, just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to make a restart with your phone. Once I've restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.